Good day everyone, welcome to my travel vlog again. This is John and hope you enjoy my travel vlog. This is our last Antigua, St. John Antigua, and enjoy the sunset. And we're going back to Europe, Norway cruise. And first of all, I'd like to thanks to my followers. Hope dadaghan pa, lumudaghan pa siya. And shout out sa akong friend nga taga TBC dati. Yo, shout out, nalimot ko sa name. So man yun. And mo to, and banta ma-enjoy mo. More videos to come. Na busy lang jud ko lately. And just comment and suggest kay shout out ta mo. And goodbye Caribbean. Ciao everyone.